Today I'll be unboxing this remote switch RS-60E3, or on the side it says AM6046. So if you own a Canon DSLR that doesn't have the infrared sensor, then you'll have to hook it up into the audio cable, the 2.5mm audio cable, if you want to use remote control hookup. The hookup's over here. So here's the remote switch I got on Amazon. It cost about $7. Should have done some more research because it comes in this little package, and also comes with some quick instructions about how to use it. It's pretty self-explanatory though. You just press and hold to do the auto zoom, and then press down even more if you want to take a picture. So here's the device itself. You can go down quite a little bit, so you do that. Here's the back. You can see it says RS-60E3. Yeah, I should have done a little more research because this thing, the cable itself is only about 3 feet. So 1, 2, and 3. And it would just hook up to the side over here. They say just hook it up first. So this is my T5. Hook it up. Turn it on. It's in auto right now, but if I press it a little bit, it'll do the autofocus. Press it down a little bit, and then it takes a picture. That's it. So if you need something for your Canon T5 or similar Canon DSLR, this will work just fine. Now I'm looking for an extension cable because 3 feet isn't too long.